Recently, my husband and I visited our cabin in the Shenandoah Valley of Virginia for the last time, as we are selling it in preparation for our move to the West Coast. It was bittersweet, as we had invested so much time and effort into renovating and decorating it. Before I show you the end result, I should show you what it looked like before. As you can see, the walls were very orange, and originally there was a wall and sliding glass doors separating the two rooms, which we knocked down to create more openness and to let in this beautiful view. And this is what it looks like now. We went on some beautiful hikes during our stays, including this one in Shenandoah National Park. There was even the time I had the magical luck of happening upon this group of paragliders as they threw themselves off the side of the mountain. It was really incredible. But still, my favorite place to be was on the deck of our cabin, watching the birds. What I loved the most was how the sky over the mountain was continuously changing, depending on the season and time of day. These are some of my favorite views over the years that I will miss very much when we're gone. For more information about the cabin, including the Airbnb listing, my restaurant recommendations, and a short essay, please visit my Substack. And thanks for watching.